Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Fusion 2006 to 2009? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2006 Ford Fusion contains fuses and relays that protect key interior electrical functions like the radio, power seats, interior lighting, and climate control. It uses blade-type fuses for easy replacement. Each circuit is clearly labeled for quick identification. The box plays a crucial role in maintaining electrical system safety and functionality. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2007 to 2009 Ford Fusion protects vital interior electrical systems such as the audio unit, power windows, climate controls, and dashboard components. It uses standard blade-type fuses and relays for reliable circuit protection. Each fuse is clearly marked for easy identification and maintenance. This setup ensures safe and efficient operation of the vehicle's interior electronics. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2006 Ford Fusion safeguards major electrical systems such as the engine control module, ABS, cooling fans, and exterior lighting. It contains high current fuses and relays designed for critical power distribution. The layout allows for organized access to components. This fuse box is essential for maintaining reliable engine and system performance. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2007 to 2009 Ford Fusion protects high-power systems, including the engine control module, fuel pump, ABS, cooling fans, and exterior lights. It contains high-current fuses and relays for efficient power distribution and system protection. The fuse layout is organized and labeled for easy troubleshooting. This box is crucial for ensuring the safe operation of major vehicle functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, Micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.